Hey everybody, my name is Liam. I'm a sales representative here at Lumafield. Lumafield is based over in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and what we're doing is redefining the way engineers inspect and find defects in their medical devices and pharmaceutical solutions. What we do is we build industrial CT scanners and analysis software that allows teams of engineers to find defects in their parts without doing destructive testing. I've had a really wonderful experience at the Manufacturing Summit here in Boston, learning from so many different leaders and executives in the space, learning some of their challenges and how they plan to overcome them, and really learning how solutions like industrial CT scanning can fit in to help solve some of those problems. So I had a lot of really great and informative meetings with leaders and executives in this space, and I'm really glad that Lumafield took the opportunity to meet some of these folks, and I'm definitely going to be coming back next year.